Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most kind. Welcome to Smart Learning Academy. Today we are going to study prepositional phrase. So first of all, we should know what is preposition. A preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun और pronoun to the other words of the sentence. So preposition ऐसे अल्फाज है जो noun और pronoun के ताल्लुक़ को जुमले के बाकी हिस्से के साथ तायन करते हैं, या हम कह सकते हैं A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place or location or etc. हम कह सकते हैं preposition एक लफ्ज़ या अल्फाज के मजमुआ है जो किसी नाउन, प्रोनाउन या नाउन फ्रेज से पहले इस्तेमाल होते हैं ताकि डायरेक्शन, टाइम और जगह को दिखाएं. Some common prepositions are here. यहाँ पे कुछ prepositions हमने दिए हैं. For example, on, at, in, from, by, between, among, of, next to, at the corner of, in front of, with, to, under, behind, etc. Some examples. Prepositions can show direction. Some prepositions which show direction. For example, we flew from New York to Paris. He came from England. The patient went into the doctor's office. The police broke into the house. Prepositions can show time. कुछ preposition जो time को दिखाते हैं. I go to school at 8 a.m. The company called meeting on 25th October. The weather is cold in December. There is a holiday in December. Prepositions can show place or location. कुछ preposition जो जगह को दिखाते हैं. For example, there is a wasp in the room. They live in the country. Put the present inside the box. She will find him at the library. Prepositions can show object being higher than, lower than or close to a point. For example, he threw the ball over the roof. For example, she lives near the school. The valley is below the sea level. Now what is phrase? A phrase is a group of words that stand together as a single grammatical unit. It does not contain a subject and verb, and it cannot convey a complete thought. Phrase अल्फाज के ऐसे मजमूए को कहते हैं जिसमें सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब नहीं होते और ना ही ये कंप्लीट मीनिंग देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑन द टेबल, माई कज़न अली, in the window, during the week, cream cakes from the bakery. So ये सारे जो है ये phrases की examples है. Now what is prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase is a group of words that consist of a preposition, its object, which will be noun or pronoun, in any words that modify the object. Prepositional phrase अल्फाज के ऐसे मजमूआ को कहते हैं जिसमें preposition हो और इसकी object हो, वो object noun या pronoun होगा या कोई modifier हो. For example, I sit with Ali. So with is called preposition, Ali is called the object of the preposition. So the underlined part is called prepositional phrase. It's a present from her. From is preposition, her is the object, and from her is called prepositional phrase. I sit with the wonderful person. With is called preposition, the wonderful is called modifier, while person is called the object. So this underlined part is called prepositional phrase. The book was on the table. So on is what? Preposition, and table is what? The noun. So this is called prepositional phrase. Look at the board with the blue sail. So with the blue sail is called what? Prepositional phrase. Now one more example. The genie from the brass lamp granted 3 wishes. So from is preposition, the brass is modifier, lamp is object of the preposition, and this whole part is called prepositional phrase. Now this is your quiz time. Underline the prepositional phrase in each sentence below. So we have given you some sentences. You have to find the prepositional phrase here. For example, we walked up the stair. So up is called preposition and stairs is called the object of the preposition. So up the stair is called prepositional phrase. So you have to pause the video, read the sentences and underline the prepositional phrase and write it in the comment box. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.